So today we're unboxing the long-awaited 1030 watt daylight LED from Maxibright. By now you'll be familiar with the basic format. Instead of concentrating the diodes in a central spot, they're spread out over an array of strips that generate an almost perfectly even footprint of intense full spectrum light. These units come with 10 easy to clip on bars instead of the usual 6. At 112 centimeters by 107 centimeters, it can fit physically into a 1.2 meter square space, but with 1000 watts of power behind it, we'd recommend running it in a 1.5 meter square area. Always start off on the lowest setting possible, working your way up gradually to avoid stressing your plants. You can do this with the supplied remote timer, which adjusts output levels in 25% increments, or you can fine-tune it even further with a separate daylight controller. There are actually two 1030 watt models, the standard version which delivers 2.3 micromoles of usable light per watt, and the Pro, which produces 2.7. The choice will come down to budget, but for us the Pro version is worth the extra spend because the extra efficiency will pile on additional weight onto each harvest, and with a 50,000 hour lifespan it will add up to a lot of extra produce over time. Both units are tuned towards the red areas for enhanced flowering, but there's still enough blue in there to eliminate stretching and keep growth nice and tight, so it makes a great veg light too. The team at Maxibright are always making improvements, and this generation of LEDs are much lighter and sleeker than the originals, and they take up less headroom at only 8 centimeters tall. Last but not least, they're IP65 rated, so they're much safer than HID lights. You can even take a splash or two, which allows you to leave your grow room with complete peace of mind. For more information, check out our website or come and see us in store. If you've enjoyed the video, leave us a like, subscribe, and let us know what you want to see next in the comments below.